63,947 views till now. Okay. It was uploaded on 21st May 2020. The thing is, this news is telling a lie, a bloody balanced lie. Corona strain in Philippines may have come from India. Seriously? Seriously? Means they want to say that actually this virus is originating from India. I'll just do one thing. I'll mute my mic and you can hear it properly.
That we have are really just 12 whole genome sequences that were done sometime in March. So yung first introduction, I won't call it a wave, but the first three cases that we had were all Chinese cases.
Right.
Unfortunately, we weren't able to sequence those, but because those three came from Wuhan, most likely those viruses would have originated from China. However, when they sequenced this local transmission, about 12 of them, if you look at something called NextStrain, which actually gets all the sequences in the world and analyzes them, parang, ano yan parang family tree, it turns out that the most related virus that of those 12 in the Philippines, the most common ancestor niya actually came by way of India, which came to India from Australia and came to Australia from China. So umikot muna siya. And so in a way, there was a second introduction that became the first local wave. Whatever you want to call it, but the local transmission in March seemed to have at least partially originated from India.
So, Doctor,
I hope you heard what they are saying. Isn't it shocking? Can you imagine? This statement is made by a doctor, Dr. Edsel Salvana, courtesy by Dr. Paolo Madela. This guy is actually infectious disease specialist. Now just imagine, I am sure, be it a left wing or a right wing, we all agree that these two people are actually sold out, including this fucking channel. अगर ये लोग यहाँ बिक सकते हैं, they can be sold out in India also, who are blaming the government always that we don't have PPE kits and we don't have blah 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 blah. IT sales can be anywhere for extra income. Let me tell you, people are fucking greedy. They are not happy with what they have. They want more and more and more. And then sometimes they have pressure also. You never know that they have their life on the life in threat or something like that, because China also silenced its own doctors. Everybody knows this thing. Now just imagine this is what is happening in Philippines, that they are propagating against India like this CNN channel. Now some of my friends used to give me the in the debates, they used to give me the links of CNN. Please don't give it to me next time. Okay, we all know that it's a lie. Trump is not crazy to call it a fake news channel. Okay, this is a bloody proof in front of you that they are telling that this coronavirus is actually from India, and you look at the tree and blah 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 blah, all that chutia panti, and they are saying that it's from India. Now just okay, now let's move on to some other problem. Before that, on May 20, now see how fast it is happening. That is almost, this one is May 21. Just one day before, the Nepali CM said that Indian virus is more lethal than Chinese. You can read this. Money Control. It's the news, and they are saying that they're just telling blah 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 against us. NDTV. Why I'm not surprised. NDTV, CNN. Just imagine, ऐसे ऐसे channels के ही नाम क्यों आ रहे हैं? Just imagine. Now they are saying that in Nepal also they are blaming Indians for spreading the coronavirus. Now the similarity between both the countries is that India and Nepal have a strained relationship, and Nepal and Philippines are influenced by China. China, because of the South China Sea, here the governments are close to China, so the influence is now taking over. The only good thing is that the people are not accepting these things here in Philippines. The people are, this is actually my Facebook profile which I use in Philippines, and people are actually not accepting this thing. You can see that China have no friends, and you can see all those comments. They are really pissed off. Epicenter, they are accepting that it was actually China. It's nowhere India. Fuck these people. Oh, see? So, well, this guy is very important. He is the son of the congressman here, Vani Guzman. His father is Toto Guzman. They are very close to us. We used to all have good time together. So you can see here, China will be always China, Pogo China. So can you imagine? Propaganda means they are also understanding Filipinos. Just imagine if Filipinos can understand that it is a bloody propaganda, तो हमारे इंडिया के लेफ्टिस्ट क्यों नहीं मानते इस बात को? आप सोचने वाली बात है. Now just let's talk about Dhruv Rathi. ये अभी कुछ दिनों पहले he also made a video on India versus China Nepal border dispute. एक बार आप इसको भी ज़रा सुनो कि ये महाराज क्या कहते हैं. I will just lower down my mic.
ये चाइना वाली चीज पर भी मैं एक बारी बात करना चाहूंगा कि कुछ इंडियंस कहने लग रहे हैं कि चाइनीज ने नेपालियों को खरीद लिया है, क्योंकि नेपाल में इस वक्त जो रूलिंग पार्टी है वो कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी है. तो क्योंकि चाइना में भी कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी रूल करती है, तो कह रहे हैं कि चाइना का बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस आ गया नेपाल के ऊपर. अब बाकी और इश्यूज में कुछ हद तक ये सही हो सकता है, लेकिन इस स्पेसिफिक इशू की अगर हम बात करें, जो बॉर्डर डिस्प्यूट चलने लग रहा है, मेरा मानना है कि इसमें चाइना का कोई लेना देना नहीं है. और इसके
ढक्कन, अगर लेना देना नहीं है तो ये क्या हो गया? CNN बकवास करने लग गया फिलीपींस के अंदर हमारे अगेंस्ट. नेपाल का CM बक 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 करने लग गया हमारे अगेंस्ट. हैं? अब तू बोल रहा है कि नहीं. वाई? अब ही इज ऑल्सो सोल्ड आउट. अभी तो जस्ट वेट एंड वॉच. मेक ए लिस्ट ऑफ ऑल दीज ब्लडी कम्युनिस्ट कंट्रीज और ये सारे के सारे बोलेंगे इंडिया के अगेंस्ट. There is a lobby. What China is now doing, China knows that the whole world has actually made a big lobby against China. And now to counter that big lobby, it is going to put pressure on all the communist countries जो इसके बस का है कि वो कंट्रोल कर सकता है. Okay, that I want to say. जहाँ इसका बस चलता है. And they will start propagating against India. So we all people in India, we need to unite and stand against this thing, at least at this moment. भैया लेफ्टिस्ट हाथ जोड़ रहा हूँ, मान जाओ, वरना थप्पड़े मार मार के मनवाएंगे. बता रहा हूँ कसम से, जूते मारेंगे तुम लोगों को. तुम लोग अभी भी नहीं समझ रहे यार. एटलीस्ट इस टाइम पे तो यूनिटी बना लो यार. एज एन इंडियन देखो ये आपका मतलब कंट्री को किस तरह से रॉन्गली प्रोपोगेट किया जा रहा है. प्रोपोगेंडाज ऐसे ऐसे कर रहे हैं हमारे अगेंस्ट. एटलीस्ट एट दिस टाइम वी शुड बी all united and we should fight against this. and हमारे को अपनी सोती हुई गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर प्रेशर बनाओ कि भैया दुनिया जो इतनी बड़ी लॉबी अगर खड़ी होगी है तो प्लीज़ उसके साथ ओपनली सामने आओ. दब के मत रहो. अब गया वो टाइम. कितने टाइम तक आप अपने ये UN से डरते रहोगे भैया? चाइना नहीं डरता तभी आज हमारे सर पे चढ़ गया है. हम लोग इन चक्करों में रह गए तभी हमारे सर पे सारे चढ़ गए हैं. तो प्लीज़ एट दिस टाइम वी नीड टू wake up our sleeping government to stand up against these things. एक तो सबसे पहले ये मीडिया हाउसेस का सिस्टम सेट करो भैया, गवर्नमेंट को बोलना पड़ेगा. और दूसरा हम लोगों को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इनके प्रोपेगेंडास तोड़ने होंगे सोशल मीडिया पे, वरना हम इंडियंस की ओर का सारा नाम ख़राब हो जाएगा. वेल एटलीस्ट जो बददिमाग लोग हैं वो तो मान जाएंगे इन बातों को, बट वी आर लकी, शायद हम थोड़े राइट विंगर्स इस मामले में सही है कि हम लोग समझते हैं सही गलत क्या है. लाइक हियर ऑल्सो इन फिलीपींस मैंने आपको दिखाया, पीपल आर एक्सेप्टिंग इट दैट इट्स अ बैलेंट लाई. आई होप कि हम हमारे इंडिया में जो लेफ्टिस्ट हैं वो समझें. साले फॉरेनर्स समझ गए, हम इंडियंस नहीं समझेंगे हमारे लेफ्टिस्ट इस बात को कि दैट कि हमारे यहाँ गोदी मीडिया ये होता है. दिस इज गोदी मीडिया. ये जो भौंकता रहता है ना, ये मिस्टर, क्या बताऊं यार, छोड़ो यार, गालियां सुन लेगा मुझसे. एनीवेज, आई विल जस्ट एंड इट हियर. आई होप कि सबको कुछ समझ में आया हो कि क्या हो रहा है एंड आगे क्या होने वाला है. We are going to be the scapegoats and we have to fight for it. We are not going to bow down and we are not going to be fucking scapegoats. नहीं. And we will make China pay for it. Simple as that. जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम. प्लीज़ अपना ध्यान रखिए एंड लॉकडाउन में अभी भी बाहर मत निकलिए, घर से काम चलता है, चलाइए. थैंक यू सो मच. बाय बाय, टेक केयर.